Hello, very good morning. Greetings from Rex Group, Bangladesh. Today I'm going to show you some of the t-shirts that we have been producing for our European customers. This is one order we did for our French customer. This is a program called was Palma. This is the t-shirts, very nice hand feel, very good quality, 180 GSM carded. There was 4 colors, white and navy and this khaki, and there was another color, right? The black. There was another color, black. So the 4 colors covering, it was quantity was 12,000 pieces. The price was 1.75. We have got the price from our buyer 1.75 for 12,000 pieces, 4 color, white, navy, black, khaki, 180 GSM, carded cotton. Enzyme and silicone has been used in the fabric to make it very good handful. Buyer is happy. We are going to get the repeat order now. So there is another program. We just shipped it. We made one shipment. The second shipment is leaving today. So it's called Rio. The program called Rio. It has royal blue and black, white, navy, khaki, beige and royal blue. It has 6 colors. Total 6 colors is 230 GSM. It's heavy GSM a little bit. 230 GSM, carded cotton, enzyme, silicone finished, very good hand feel fabrics, and there are 6 colors. The quantity was 7,000 pieces, one style. For this one we have received. The price is 2.30 we have received from the buyer. See, this is the very good t-shirts, nice hand feel. When you wear, you can feel it. Very nice hand feel. And this is a beige color t-shirts, and it has all other colors. So we just shifted these at the shipment samples we are holding in our office. So anyone interested working with us on the t-shirt program, please knock us. I will give you our website and email address after the video. So now we have a third program called Kaizui. This is a very much unusual heavy GSM. This is 310 GSM jersey. Have you ever done this in our lifetime? It's very uncommon. 310 GSM jersey fabric making a t-shirt. It's very heavy but very comfortable. I'm wearing one. So we have the same colors at the Rio, the earlier one, 6 colors. Black, white, navy, khaki, beige and royal blue. The quantity order